Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, establishing facts about the interior and exterior angles of a triangle. So, we have a picture here. We know that the measure of angle 2 is 30 degrees, and the measure of angle 4 is 31 degrees. Okay. Alright, so we got 30 and 31. So let's go. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle must be 180 degrees. That is a hard and fast fact, for as long as it is on a flat surface like the ones we're dealing with. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 have to equal 180 degrees. Okay. So because they are the interior angles of the triangle. So given that the measure of angle 2 is 30 degrees, which we know, 3 and 4 have to be whatever's left over after I take that out. So that would be 150 degrees. So just 180 minus that 30. From the figure, we see that the measure of angle 1 and angle 2 here have to equal 180 degrees, right? Because they are a linear pair, they make a straight angle. So, since the measure of angle 2 is 30, angle 1 must be 150 degrees. Same logic. I took the 30 out here, so 150 is left over. Okay. So looking at this, the measure of angle 1 is how is it related to measures 3 and 4? So this is 150, that's 150. So they have to be equal. And this is an example of the exterior angle property of triangles. Truth. For any triangle, the measure of an exterior angle, okay, this is a little long, must be equal to the sum of its two remote interior angles. So let me explain what exactly that means, because it's kind of wordy, it sounds weird. So what that means is I have an exterior angle here, right there. That means it has to be equal to the sum of its remote interior angles, remote being not near. So that would be 2 would be right next to it, so the remote ones would be 3 and 4. So if I have this one, it has to be equal to the sum of these other two, okay? Because this has to equal 180. All 3 of these have to equal 180. If I take 2 out of both of them, then these two have to be equal to that. Okay, so that's what that one means.